You feel it, don't you? That quiet, creeping tension in the back of your mind. You scroll through the headlines. AI takes over jobs. Machines outperform humans. Automation is accelerating. And you think, it won't happen to me. But here's the truth no one wants to say out loud. It will. Artificial intelligence isn't some far-off future. It's now. It's today. It's the silent beast clawing its way into every industry, every workflow, every profession. And it doesn't care who you are. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't ask for raises. It doesn't take days off. It just gets better. Every single day. While you're sleeping, it's learning. While you're complaining, it's executing. While you're hesitating, it's replacing. You thought college degrees would protect you. You thought climbing the ladder made you untouchable. But the ladder just got knocked over. And the only ones still standing are the ones who adapted. Let me make this simple. If you don't understand AI, truly understand it, you're not just falling behind. You're disappearing. Because this isn't just a tech revolution, it's an intelligence shift. In 2023, ChatGPT hit the world like a thunderclap. Suddenly, machines could write, not just well exceptionally. Then came the flood. Midjourney, Leonardo AI, 11 Labs, AutoGPT, Synthesia. One after another, AI tools started dominating tasks that used to belong to experts. Designers, writers, editors, coders. And these tools, they don't need degrees. They don't need sleep. They just need the right prompts. We're not in an era of labor anymore. We're in the era of leverage. Those who know how to use AI will earn exponentially more than those who don't. Think about that. One person with one laptop can now run an entire media empire. Create viral content, design stunning graphics, produce high-quality voiceovers in minutes. So the question becomes not, will AI replace me? But rather, how fast can I replace the old version of me with the AI-enhanced version? Let's shatter a few lies while we're here. 1. AI will only affect low-skilled jobs. Wrong. Copywriters are being outpaced. Illustrators are being automated. Even software engineers are watching AI write better, cleaner code. 2. It's just a trend. No, this is the internet in the 90s all over again. Except this time it's moving 10 times faster. 3. I'm too late to start. Also wrong. You're early if you act now. The people winning aren't the ones who knew everything from the start. They're the ones who stayed curious, who tried, who learned fast. Here's the crazy part. AI doesn't make everyone equal. It amplifies the gap. Those who sit back, they get wiped out. Those who lean in, they rise faster than ever. But here's the cheat code. AI is still dumb. Without you, it needs strategy. It needs vision. It needs someone who knows what to build, what to say, what to show the world. If you become that person, AI becomes your weapon, your engine, your silent partner. Learn prompt engineering. Master the tools. Get fluent in automation. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need to be dangerous enough to execute. So what do you do now? Here's your roadmap. Step 1, pick your lane. What are you naturally good at? Writing, design, teaching, strategy, business. I can elevate all of them, but only if you focus. Step 2, pick your tools. Use ChatGPT for writing and research, Midjourney or Leonardo AI for visuals, 11 Labs for voice, Synthesia for video content. Step 3, build something real. Start a YouTube channel, build a newsletter, launch a brand, automate a side hustle. Step 4, stay ahead. Every week, new tools drop, new techniques emerge. Be the person who experiments. Because the more you play with AI, the faster you master it. Most people will choose comfort. They'll complain about AI. They'll say it's unfair. They'll post think pieces instead of putting in work. But not you. If you're still watching, you've already made your decision. You're not built to stay average. You're built to adapt, to lead, to build the future, not hide from it. And guess what? AI is your secret weapon. It's not here to take your soul. It's here to scale it, to multiply your ideas, to make your execution relentless. But it starts with you. You've got to take the first step. You've got to show up. You've got to stop waiting for someone to come save you. Because no one's coming. The age of the average worker is over. The age of the augmented human has begun. So what's next? You either scroll to the next dopamine hit, or you subscribe, you commit, you stay here. Because this channel, it's not just videos, it's a movement, a system, a new breed of thinkers, builders, creators who don't flinch at change, they leverage it. If you're one of us, we move now, we build now, we win now. Because in this new world, AI doesn't replace you, it reveals you. So ask yourself one last time, will you watch the wave, or will you ride it? Make the right choice. We'll see you in the next one.